Want this?
Joga pouquinho você vai me passa, 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 me passa.
Open your CapCut app and upload your video. Delete the CapCut outro. Optional, go to Adjustment tab and select Graphs option. Now follow all my Graphs adjustments. Then go to Video Effects, select Lens tab and select Blur Effect. Drag the effect to the whole video. Now export it. After exporting, open a new project and upload the original video. Now select Overlay and upload the edited video. Fill the gaps by 2 fingers. Then go to Blend Splice and select Burn. Change it to 50 to 100. Then click on Overlay. Add Overlay on white image. Drag it to the end. Then go to Blend Splice and select Overlay. Now export it. This was the HD part. Now we will move to Diamond Blur tutorial. Follow my adjustments to make the HD quality better. Now split the intro and change the speed to. Turn it to 0.2 to 0.5. Now select on Make it smoother. Go to Video Effects and select Diamond Blur. Follow my adjustments. Adjust it. Now export it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a review on the comment section.